Hands off. Hands off, Dina. Hands off!
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey! Are you happy now?
Jesus! Why?
Okay, you're going straight to jail.
Now what the fuck is this? What the hell? What the actual?
What are you trying to do? Scratch my tattoo, girl?
You could at least buy me dinner first.
She's has her face on my boobs and she's making biscuits on my stomach.
I hate it when guys slap my ass.
Stop! Donut!